Y'all can thank me later for this one. What the fuck? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so you never miss another video from your girl again. Today's video is going to be yet another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. I am so excited to be working with Fashion Nova yet again on another video. I was able to pick some things out from the website and I'm going to try them on, tell you what size I got, and kind of explain my thoughts. I'm filming this video the exact same way I filmed my last Fashion Nova haul. So if you guys liked that style, you are in luck because that's how I'm filming this one today. Once again, I picked a variety of things. I have dresses, I have pants, I have tops, and I even picked out a Halloween costume. If you guys have any questions at all, please check the description box. And if I don't have your answer in the description box, then go ahead and comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Sometimes I just get talking and I'm talking too much, but I forget to mention like a size or something. So definitely check the description box. I will have everything linked down below. Everything that's still in stock that I can actually find on the website will be linked below. And then, like I said, if I didn't answer your question, leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you guys in the comment section. So if you guys want to see what I got from Fashion Nova, then just keep watching. So the very first item that I picked out is this top here. It is a rust orange and cream tie-dye, oversized, almost like men's style top. In black writing, it does say fluent in fashion. I think this top is super cute. Because it is so oversized, I decided to kind of tie it up in a little knot here in the front, but I do want to show you how big it is. I got this in a 1X and it is huge. I am swimming in it. This would definitely be a super cute top to wear with some biker shorts, or if you're short enough, possibly even a dress with some cute sneakers, or not with a dress, as a dress with some cute sneakers. But I am 5'7" and my butt would be completely hanging out the backside. So I have just decided to kind of tie it up in the front. You could also cut it and have it be a crop top without having to tie it and have there be like a bulky knot here. I just think this top is so adorable and I'm obsessed with this rust color, especially for the fall time. So why is this next top my actual life motto? Like, I think this to myself at least 100 times a day. It is just a black, once again, oversized men's style t-shirt. And in white wavy writing, it says, "So sick of this shit," which could not be more accurate. This top, I would say, runs a little bit smaller than that previous tie-dye top. I could still tie it up here in the front if I wanted, but once again, I think it would be super cute undone with some biker shorts just for a casual day. I got this in a 1X and I am obsessed with it. All right, you guys, next up is this adorable two-piece set. I got mine in a 2X, and this is actually the exact two-piece set that I got in the last Fashion Nova try-on haul, but I got that one in just plain black. I loved it so much that I picked out this really pretty black and white, like tropical leaf print. I am so obsessed with these little two-piece sets. This top actually wraps around a couple times, and then you tie it here in the front. I guess you could tie it in the back also if you wanted to, but I kind of like it here in the front. It's not a stretchy material at all, but it's super flowy. I brought this to Vegas. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw my post with me wearing the black set. It was so flippin' comfortable and so cute. There is a little boob situation that goes on because I really think it's me that I don't know how to tie these very well, but I just wore a black lace bralette underneath, which gave me a little bit more coverage in this vicinity and couldn't have been more cute or comfortable. So I highly recommend maybe getting like a little bralette if you don't want your boobies showing. Once again, got mine in a 2X and I'm really gonna go check the site to see if they have other colors because I want them in all colors and all patterns. All right, you guys, next up is this super beautiful long black gown with lace, long sleeves. It comes to a little V here, but I don't really find this to be like too revealing for my taste at least. I think it's like the perfect amount of chest showing. Once again, for me, in my opinion. This dress, you guys, First of all, I don't know why I ordered this because I have nowhere fancy to go, but if you guys have like a formal event coming up, the material is stretchy, which is definitely a plus. It is long sleeve, like I said, comes to a V. I got mine in a 2X. It is floor length, which is why I say maybe somewhere more formal, and it does have a slit going up one side for a little added sexiness, which I really enjoy. I don't know the material, but it is a thicker material and it is stretchy, which is great. The back of the dress looks like this. You can probably see my bra straps, but I'd be wearing definitely a strapless bra with this dress. You guys, this dress is beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and now I need to find a fancy place to wear it to. Keep in mind, as I'm showing you guys this on my body, I am not wearing any shapewear at all. I'm just wearing underwear. With any dress, long or short, I wear little biker shorts, so that would definitely help flatten out any like lumpy-ish areas that I might have. But I just, it makes the butt look good. Like, come on, you guys. This dress is so amazing. Okay, next up is another dress. I'm gonna scoot back so you can see it. It is a black, very fitted bodycon style dress. Once again, a pretty thick material, but also very stretchy. It is black and has this white trim going down the side and also down the bottom. Such a beautiful cut. I do not have any dresses with this kind of a cut, and I'm obsessed with it. Across the stomach, there is a slight like bunching effect, almost like a little bit of ruching, not too bad, which of course will hide any imperfections you might want to hide. It is a faux wrap style dress. There's no button or anything or any zipper. It's just sewn like that, which I really like. I love this V-neck cut. All right, you guys, next up is another black bodycon style dress. This is in a 2X. It is very thick material, but also stretchy. This is actually the exact dress I got in the last Fashion Nova haul, but the last haul I got that really bright Kelly green that I was obsessed with. Once again, I'm obsessed with this black. Like, the cut of this dress down here, like, I love that it comes to a point on one side. It's so, so pretty. So, funny story, actually. The green dress from the first try-on haul also had these straps, but your girl thought they were just the straps that you use to hang on a hanger. They weren't. They were part of the dress, so I snipped them right off. And I was wondering why these thicker straps kept falling down my shoulders. I think I found the reason. Anywho, I decided to order it in black also because of how much I loved that dress. And this time I kept the scissors away from the dress, so. Okay, the next item I got was this jean jumpsuit, and this is probably the first item that I'm not like obsessed with. I'm gonna back up here a little bit so you can get the full view. I don't know if the legs are too wide or what's going on, but it kind of just pulls weird in the crotch area. It's not too tight. It's a little too big, but it's just a weird situation going on here. I don't know what it is. There are buttons up the side. Once again, I did get this in a 2X. There are buttons up the side, and I really love how the back has a zipper, but is also stretchy. And don't even get me started on these straps. I think this is so freaking cute. I love how it's adjustable. You can tie it to however tight you want it. If you want it up higher, tie it tighter. If you want it down lower, tie it a little bit looser. Like, I absolutely love that. There are no pockets, unfortunately. And overall, I'm looking at myself back here. I don't love it, like I said, but I also don't hate it. I just have a weird love-hate relationship with this bad boy. I don't know. Like I said, I don't hate it. What do you guys think? You think the legs are a little bit too wide? Or, see, it's just this situation right here that just throws me off. I'm not sure. All right, we had to throw the hair up in a bun, you guys. I am too hot, and when I am hot, I get itchy and bitchy, and we do not want any of that. Okay, next item up is a bodysuit. I have been so obsessed with bodysuits lately. Like, I don't know what it is. I just feel like it fits your body perfectly, and you just look snatched as can be. So I've been obsessed with bodysuits. I want you to keep in mind that I am wearing a regular bra and I just took down the straps and tucked them in. So if we're looking a little lumpy in this area, that is why. This bodysuit that I picked out is a spaghetti strap bodysuit. It is black and it has stretchy material. It's almost a little bit like bathing suit material, like kind of a silky, stretchy bathing suit material, I would say. It does have 2 seams going up here. I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but there's for sure some ruching going on. The neckline, I wasn't really too sure how this would look on me, and really, to be honest, I'm still not too sure. It's just a straight across neckline. It's almost like it's a tube top with just 2 straps going up. This is what the back looks like. Once again, keep in mind I did tuck in those bra straps. I don't hate it at all. I feel like I would for sure wear this, and I think it's cute. I got it in a 2X. Next item is a pair of jeans. These are in a size 16, which is true to size. I'm usually a 16 in pants. They are high rise, very stretchy, and very distressed. So if you're not a fan of distressed jeans, these are not for you. The bottom of the pants are definitely a frayed hemline, and they are not super skinny down at the bottom. Because these jeans are so distressed, you can definitely see a lot of leg, which means you can see a lot of my cellulite. So if you are not a fan of showing off your legs like that, these jeans obviously would not be for you, but I think that they are super freaking cute. All right, you guys, this next item is a forest green V-neck bodysuit. I forgot to mention with the last bodysuit that it is a snap closure in the crotch. Same with this one. I'm obsessed with it, but I will tell you it is 133% see-through. Oops. I did get this in a 1X, so I'm almost thinking if I got it in a 2X, it wouldn't be pulling so tight and would be a little bit more opaque, but unfortunately it is see-through. You can see literally everything, so that sucks. If you're not into that, then this is not going to be a look for you, but it's just a very basic, thin, as you can tell, super stretchy, just a basic V-neck bodysuit, but I do really like it. I just wish it wasn't see-through. Maybe I'll throw on like a bralette or something underneath, but yeah, other than that, I really do like it. All right, you guys, next item is a pair of black Moto jeans. These jeans are ridiculously comfortable. They're definitely a softer material than a typical jean, but I also wouldn't consider them a jegging. Maybe they are, I don't know. They're a thick material, have an elastic waistband. There is no zipper or button, and it has that typical like Moto jean lineage going on here on the knees. I think it's really cute. It has pockets in the back, no pockets or anything in the front. And I got these in a 2X. It's like, did I just find my new favorite outfit? Minus the shirt, so pretty much just the overalls. Yes, I did. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a pair of black denim butt stretch overalls. And the real kicker is they are distressed just a little bit, and they're skinny. Thank you. Skinny jean overalls in black. Couldn't have asked for a better combo. You guys, this is so flippin' comfortable and so cute. I can't even get over it. I got mine in a 2X. There are buttons running up the front. Yes, there are pockets, which is also fantastic. And I really like how there's no buttons here on the side. I like how it's just kind of slip it up over your hips and you are good to go. I cannot say enough good things about this. Couldn't get cuter. Ready for your oil change, park it in the back. Can't forget these bad boys. All right, you guys, last but not least, certainly not least, is a goddamn Halloween costume, and you guys can thank me later for this one. This is like a giant spandexy catsuit, and it's like, am I gonna be changing your tires out on that track or what? It is the stretchiest, comfiest Halloween costume in the entire world, and I'm about to make all the car repairs. Anybody out there need a tire rotation? Cause your girl got you. I saw this in none other than the costume section. It's like, where else would you find it, Nicole? And I knew it had to be mine. I got this in a 2X, and I'm slightly obsessed with it. I actually unboxed all of this Fashion Nova stuff when my sister came over one day, and this was sitting right there on the top. I mean, it's a 3-piece set. It comes with the like bodysuit, these checkered gloves. It's like, why do we need the gloves? I don't know. And the glasses. Why? That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you're enjoying these Fashion Nova hauls, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. I would love to chit chat with you guys. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I will have that link in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Looks like your radiator's out. It's gonna be real expensive. Hate to break that to you, but we'll get situated in no time. Now you're pissed about a $100 charge. Meanwhile, your turbo twin engine has rusted clear out of the frame of your 2003 Acura.